Yes, well, dear my student, now welcome to new chapter electromagnetic wave. Before starting the basic concept of electromagnetic wave, I want to explain you the concept of wave. I have felt that our people do not really understand what is wave, and they keep on then cramming the thing without understanding, which create lot of trouble. So I want to make you without that trouble. So what is wave? Question is that. What is wave? There are so many meaning of wave. Just before last year, in 2019 and 20 and 21, we faced wave of corona. The second wave of corona in India, the people faced lot of problem. So what is that wave? Actually, basically, wave is the variation in any quantity. When some quantity changes, either periodically or with time or with position or distance, then we can say that is a wave. In physics, we use this in our life very much. Without now we are communicating through waves. Sound wave we have learned, but what is wave? In my opinion, and you will be clear about that, the periodic variation of some physical quantity which transfers energy from one place to another. Is wave. Totally different, dear friend. My own colleague kept on arguing with me that this definition is not written in any book. Yes, but it is written. We are not able to understand where it is written. Periodic variation of some physical quantity which transfer energy from one place to another is wave. I should say it is called wave. Now you will say, okay, what is the meaning of physical quantity? You know, when sound wave travel through a medium, particle of medium oscillate about their mean position, you have learned very well. Then what physical quantity changing periodically there? The position of medium particle, whether sound is traveling through air or water or some solid, particle of medium oscillate, and that oscillation of particle, suppose oscillate this much. So this is the position of particle, the position vector of particle in physical quantity. And due to that, energy is being transferred. I will tell you later on very clearly. So in physics, a wave may be defined as the periodic variation of some physical quantity which transfer energy from one place to another. Now, physical quantity, I told you just here, sound wave are also called pressure wave. क्यों भाई? Sound wave को pressure wave भी कहते हैं. Student of Hindi who likes something Hindi to be explained in Hindi, When sound wave travel, you might have learned that compression and air frictions are produced. Where air get compressed, pressure become more. When get rarefied, pressure get reduced. So that pressure is also changing periodical time, and due to that change of pressure, sound wave propagate from one place to another. When I ask many learned people what is wave. So simply they think that if something is happening like traveling like this, that is wave. No, this is not wrong. This is wrong. Wave always travel in a straight line. We learn it, but we keep on deviating from the given fact. Wave always travel in a straight line. If someone sitting here is getting sound, my sound straight. If someone sitting here, he is getting my sound straight. So wave does not travel like this. I will tell what is this, then what is this. I will also tell this thing. But be very serious about this topic. Otherwise, you will in lot of trouble. I faced this trouble throughout my student life. So I told you that a wave is a periodic variation of some physical quantity which transfer energy from one place to another. Now there are two types of waves which we come across. There are two types. Number one, mechanical waves or elastic waves. They are termed elastic waves. You have learned mechanical wave or elastic in class 11 in the form of sound wave, in the form of wave produced in a string. Sound wave. So these waves require medium. For their propagation. Means to travel from one place to another, they require medium, like sound wave. Sound wave are examples. You have learnt lot of things about wave. You have learned the equation of progressive wave, so many things. And second are electromagnetic wave. I feel very bad when I ask learned people what is electromagnetic wave. They state which do not require medium. That is property there. These waves do not require, okay, these waves do not require medium, okay. But what is there? Require medium for their propagation. But why they are called electromagnetic wave? We should tell it first. मैंने लिख दी उनकी बात होगी कि भाई wave, electromagnetic wave are those which do not require medium. Okay, it is a property, but what is electromagnetic wave? In fact, electromagnetic wave consists of, in fact, I write here EM waves, consist of periodically varying electric field and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic field are coupled together. In electron, I will tell so many things about this, but Basically, when we are telling what is electromagnetic wave, we should at once tell that electromagnetic wave consists of electric field and magnetic field. Sound waves are mechanical wave which require medium. Now further, there are other things about wave. One are called longitudinal wave. Longitudinal waves. And number two, transverse waves. बच्चों, जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ये बहुत लंबी मेरी पढ़ाई का एक कंक्लूजन है, एंड पीपल डोंट एक्सेप्ट बिकॉज दे हैव लर्नड द थिंग wrongly, so they keep on telling other way. One of my students went to study in BTech. Some teacher was telling in chemistry wave, and she told that wave travel like this. When my student objected with his friend that madam is telling wrong, he said, you are fool, wave तो ऐसे चलती है. ये नहीं है, ये बिल्कुल गलत है. अभी बताता हूँ ये क्या है. तो longitudinal wave, transverse wave. Actually, our mechanical wave or elastic wave are both of type, while this electromagnetic wave are only transverse wave. बताएंगे why they are called transverse. But you know, in longitudinal wave, particle medium oscillate along the direction of propagation of wave. You have learned in class 11. And in case of transverse wave, particle medium oscillate at right angle to the direction of propagation. When wave travel only particle, in case of mechanical wave, when wave travel through medium, particle medium oscillate only, they don't travel from one place to another. Now I want to tell you graphical representation. Graphical representation of waves. I told you wave is the periodic variation of some physical quantity with time as well with distance also. You have learned in class 11 y equal to a sine omega t minus kx. What is telling? Y is the position, or in one sense we call displacement of particle at distance x propagation at time t. If x will vary at a given time, if one point particle here, then y will be changing periodically. If at one point we keep fix x, we keep point under the fix, then y will change periodic time. So what is this y? Y is the physical quantity position vector. So now if suppose I take the case of longitudinal wave traveling through medium, these are particles, suppose these are particles of medium. Try to understand me. This is very important for you and make so many things clear. These particles wave traveling this way. They are oscillating this way. This is the direction of propagation of arrow. Suppose this particle at rest, this has this much displacement, and this is again, and it is at rest, this has at any time displacement in this direction, and it is zero again. So now the displacement, जिसको हमने y लिखा, we take it along y-axis, and the distance from this we take along x-axis, and here we plot y and x graph. X the distance of particle of medium from this point. If displacement zero, this has this much, this has this much large. Suppose I take the scale, bigger scale. जरूरी नहीं कभी इतना दिखाऊं. Then it is this much, and this is zero. This is upward direction. left to right, positive, right to left, negative, and then this, and then this much and 0. If I join the head of these arrows, I get a graph here, which indicates the variation of displacement of particle medium when wave traveling from left to right direction. So this is simply y-x graph. वेव तो गोइंग इन पॉजिटिव एक्स डायरेक्शन. आपने पढ़ा होगा कि जब ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं कि विच डायरेक्शन द वेव इज ट्रेवलिंग, तो यू से देयर द वेव ट्रेवलिंग इन पॉजिटिव एक्स डायरेक्शन. एंड डायरेक्शन तो सीधा है, डायरेक्शन डज नॉट मूव लाइक दिस. तो प्लीज लिसन मी एंड बिलीव मी very firmly that a wave is nothing but it is periodic variation of physical quantity which transfer energy from one place to another. How the energy being transferred? Oscillating particle has velocity, it has elasticity due to that kind energy. Because of velocity, it has tendency to come back. Due to that, it has elastic potential energy. And this energy keep on changing. And you might have learned that total energy of simple harmonic oscillator, sum of kinetic and potential, that come out to be total energy half ma square omega square. Omega is the angular frequency, or you can write it as 2 pi square n square a square m. M is the mass of the body, a is the amplitude of vibration and the frequency. Please remember this formula of energy possessed by a body oscillating simple harmonically. You have learned many things, but you have left. I will be telling you time to time, but now energy and momentum both are transferred by wave. So what is electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave, I told you, simply consists of time varying, periodically time varying electric and magnetic field, and they also transfer energy. You are getting heat from sun, you have learned. We are getting heat and light from sun through the light wave are later on proved to be electromagnetic wave. And I will prove that due to the bulb there is light, and due to this there is electric field. There is one numerical in NCERT book, but nobody dares to solve that. And nobody had dared to ask the question on this, even in the exam also. Very frankly, I am telling you. So I think you have got a little concept here about wave, and in the coming video I will start the chapter of EM wave, and first of all we will know the source of EM wave क्या है वो बताएंगे सब बातें. Thank you.